Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold with a broken outer display, and let's go fix it. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold that we have here has a working main display. We'll just have to deal with the outer display that has been smashed, and now it's not in a really good state. So let's see how it fares, how we do in fixing this type of damage. So it's quite obvious that when you have an outer display, that's going to be the first thing that will get damaged in the event of a drop. And in this case, it's really understandable why it happened. But the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is quite an advanced foldable. I personally love it. And the removal process for the display is quite tedious. It's really strongly adhered to the frame with a very strong adhesive. We're using some syringes here with alcohol, so we can put some alcohol through the gaps that we can make, and David is wearing his thick gloves so that he doesn't cut himself while making some gaps around the display. So we're making good progress, although it's very slow one, and it took us a while to remove this display. And then we lift it up on this side near the hinge, and then remove the screw for the display connector, which has a retaining plate, and now we can free that part up. Next, we'll prep the housing. Lots of debris still left on the sides. We're scraping them off. The adhesive, shards of glass, dust, and anything that can compromise the liquid adhesive that we will apply in this area later on. So David is meticulously cleaning this with a cotton swab. Here we have the old one and the new display. So far it's a straightforward swap. So we have the connector here. David is just following the folding pattern from the old display. You can see here that it's ready to go, but we have a rubber grommet for the camera, so this prevents any dust going into the lens itself. So we are going to reuse that since our replacement display doesn't have that component. It's a very small component, but it's really important to pay attention, be detailed on the repairs, and David is really keen on delivering perfection as much as possible in every repair that he does. And you can see there, it's working. It's good. Touchscreen is working. Display, no dead pixels. Display is awesome. You can actually interact with the phone. So you basically have a phone up front and a tablet in the back or the inside of this device, which is kind of awesome. I personally love this device, although the cost of repairs and the risk of damage is quite high. So these foldable smartphones are still relatively new, and hopefully it will get more affordable as time goes on. Push that in, and then it's quite difficult. And the retaining plate goes back in, and then you get screwed. Go. So if you're interested in a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or an ROG phone repair, or if you have an iPhone 16 or 17 for that matter, definitely visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. This is an actual repair that we do for our customers. So if you want to have this level of quality on the smartphone repairs that you want, definitely visit us, or you can support your local service center and your local service technician. So this Pixel 9 Pro Fold will live on blemish free and definitely out of the landfill, which is what we aim to do here in the shop. We save smartphones, we save you cash, and we save the environment because we're not filling the landfills with perfectly functional smartphones that just needed a screen replacement. So this one is a success. And if you're not around Sydney, you can't visit Sydney anytime soon, definitely send in your broken smartphone to us. We'll fix it and mail it back to you. That's a promise. So this is it. It's done. And we'll show you the before and after. There you go. Cheers, guys.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.